Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a free virtual credit card to use for PayPal verification. Quick, safe, and 100% free. Let's get started. First, go to a website. You'll need to visit a website called Your Money. It's completely free to use and easy to set up. And then sign up using your mobile number. No long forms or fees. After registering, you'll instantly get an access to your virtual credit card. Once your account is ready, tap on the View Details to see your card number, expiry date, CVV, and it also shows you the usage limits of the card. Now, just go to your PayPal account, add this virtual card under a link a new card, and you're good to go. Use it for account verification or simple transactions. And that's it. Simple and free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.